welcome back to another vid, mate. This is the outside tour, hey, part 2 of the new rig. We are running, I'll sit down so it's easier, jump down back. There is, we've always used, well, for the last few years anyway, we run King off-road wheels on the car and the van. 2 reasons for that. They come very well recommended by the bloke who built the car, and also all their wheels now are load rated to 1600 kilos, so you don't have to get certain models to handle big GVM upgrades and that. So they're all certified to 1600 kilos, which is perfect for the cruiser because it's a 4495 GVM, and perfect for the van because it's a 4.5 ton ATM. So if you're looking for wheels, the King ones, any style you want, is load rated, so that's perfect. And we've had some doozy blowouts with those rims on the Gibb and that. Not a drama.